Have you heard of vegetable yam, also known as jhoylicious or agworoagwo by the Igbos? Join me, let me show you all how to make this delicious yam recipe. Hi guys, I'm Joy. Welcome back to my channel. To make this vegetable yam, I'll be using 1 tuber of yam, 25 pieces of small size okra, 6 scotch bonnet pepper, 1 onion bulb, pumpkin leaf, palm oil, and some salt to taste. I'll begin by removing the extreme part of the okra. Guys, for this recipe, okra is actually optional, but I advise you use it. You get to know why before the end of the video. Okra is rich in vitamins, magnesium, antioxidant properties, dietary fiber, potassium, iron, and calcium. It helps to boost the immune system, aid in digestion process, improve eye vision, prevents diabetes, and also helps to regulate blood sugar level. I'll just discard this part, then gently transfer the okra to my stove top. I'll further add the clean water to it, then cover and allow to cook. While that cooks, I'll quickly cut the yam. I'm actually cutting it into circles so I could be able to peel it very fast and easy. I'll further cut the yam into smaller size. Alright, that's all done. I'll take the yam to my sink, then give it a quick rinse. After about 15 minutes, the okra is properly cooked. I'll take it off from the heat, then strain out the water. I'll further transfer it into the blender, then cover and blend properly. You can also pound it in a mortar, just anyone that you're most comfortable with. Alright, while I was blending, I also placed little water on my stove top and it's boiling already. I'll add little salt to it, then transfer all the yam pieces into the pot. I'll cover and allow it to cook on medium heat. Next, I'll go ahead and cut the vegetables. I've washed it already. I'm using pumpkin leaf, also known as ugu. You can also use spinach, just anyone you're most comfortable with. I'm actually using a whole lot because this is the star of the dish. Pumpkin leaf is actually rich in vitamin, calcium, dietary fiber, iron, and protein. It helps to promote the health of the heart, lower the risk of arthritis, promotes the health of the bone, supports the immune system, and also improve blood production. For healthy eating, it's actually advised to eat more of vegetable, so you can actually add this recipe to your food menu. After about 20 minutes, the yam is fully cooked. I'll turn off the heat, then remove the yam from the water using the kitchen towel. Alright, I'll discard the water, then transfer all the yam back into the pot to keep it warm. In another pot, I'll transfer all the vegetables and onion as well. Guys, you need to be generous with onion for this recipe. I'll also be adding little salt, then cover and allow to steam up. After about 1 minute, I'll stir everything together, but I'll wait until the vegetable wilts. Alright, that's okay. In our pot containing yam, I'll add some palm oil. Guys, I'm using enough of palm oil because there is actually no water in my pot, and palm oil will form the base. This will prevent the yam from sticking to the base of the pot. I'll mix everything together to make sure the oil is sufficient for each yam pieces. Next, I'll be transferring the okra. I'll also be adding some scotch bonnet pepper and some salt. Guys, I'm actually mixing everything on a very low heat. Finally, I'll be adding the vegetables, then mix everything together. Guys, the reason why I advise you use okra, aside from the nutritional aspect, it will help the vegetables to actually stick together to the yam. Just look at this, guys. This yam is actually looking so appetizing. Let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe in the comment section. Thank you all very much for watching. Just before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. See you all next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.